Imagine an extra $1,000 landing in your bank account every month, enough for rent, groceries, or a step toward financial freedom. For many, that extra grand is the difference between just getting by and actually getting ahead. You don't need a fancy degree or $1 million idea to make it happen in 2025. The tools and platforms available today have leveled the playing field. In this video, I'll break down 5 powerful side hustles that can put at least $1,000 per month in your pocket, even if you're starting from scratch. Stick around for hustle number 5. It's the easiest to start and has the highest potential payoff. Let's dive in. First up, freelance AI content creation. AI isn't replacing humans, it's replacing people who don't know how to use it. That's your opportunity. Businesses, YouTubers, and authors need people who can use AI to scale their content. You're not just a writer, you're a strategist who uses AI tools to deliver high-quality content fast. Get comfortable with platforms like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai. Learn to write effective prompts, this is key. Once you've got the basics, find clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or by reaching out directly on LinkedIn. Offer a free sample, rewrite a blog post, or create a week's worth of social captions to show your value. Niching down is the fastest way to higher rates. Be the go-to for AI-powered newsletters or YouTube scripts in a specific niche: finance, tech, health, and e-commerce. A single 500-word blog post can fetch $100, $150. One client needing a post a week is $400, $600 per month. You can offer packages, like 4 blog posts and 8 social captions for $500 monthly. 2 clients, and you've hit your goal. Build relationships for recurring work and stable income. By leveraging AI, you can do in 2 hours what used to take 8, so you can take on more clients or work less for the same money. Ad copy, product descriptions, video scripts, course outlines. The more you explore, the more you can offer. This is about positioning yourself at the intersection of tech and creativity, a space that's only growing. Start learning, start pitching, and you could be earning $1,000 a month faster than you think. The future belongs to those who adapt. Don't wait for AI to replace you, use it to get ahead. The demand for AI-powered content is exploding. Businesses want results, not just words. If you can deliver, you'll never run out of work. This is your chance to ride the AI wave, not get swept away. Next, digital product creation, one of the best ways to earn passive income. Create once, sell forever, ebooks, Notion templates, budgeting spreadsheets, planners, stock photos, or mini courses. The secret? Solve a real problem for a specific audience. Start by identifying what people are searching for. Use Reddit, Quora, YouTube comments, or keyword tools. Design a solution, a budget tracker, a Notion template, a content calendar. Example, sell a $10 spreadsheet on Etsy. Just 100 sales a month equals $1,000. Not a designer? Use Canva for ebooks and planners, or Google Sheets for spreadsheets. Value is in the solution, not fancy design. Sell on Etsy for templates and planners, Gumroad, or PayHip for ebooks and courses. Start with a simple, low-cost product. Get feedback, then create advanced or complementary products. Build a small ecosystem, upsells and bundles increase your earnings. Your digital product works 24 hours making sales while you sleep. The barrier to entry is low, you need a good idea and the drive to execute. Start small, focus on value, and iterate. Even if your first product isn't a hit, the skills you gain are invaluable. Digital products are true assets. Work once, earn repeatedly. This is working smarter, not harder. Passive income is real if you solve real problems. Third, remote micro-jobs and tasks, the most accessible side hustle. Turn spare moments into cash by completing small online tasks. Companies need human input to train AI, test software, or gather data. Tasks like transcribing audio, tagging images, or testing apps, platforms, Amazon Mechanical Turk, ClickWorker, Append. User testing is another great option. Sites like User Testing and Trimata pay you to record your thoughts as you use websites or apps. Micro tasks pay a few cents to a few dollars. User tests pay $10 to $20 for 15 to 20 minutes. Combine both, do user tests when available, fill gaps with micro tasks. With consistency, earning $1,000 per month is possible. Treat it like a real job. No resume, no interview, no experience needed. Work whenever, wherever. Ultimate flexibility. Perfect for students, parents, or anyone wanting a quick, reliable side income. It's not scalable like digital products, but it's fast and dependable. Build a workflow, use multiple platforms, and maximize your earnings. Monetize your downtime. Every little bit adds up. This is pure effort for money exchange. If you want instant results, start here. Your first payout could be this week. Fourth, print on demand. Sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without handling inventory or shipping. Upload your design to platforms like Printful, Printify, Redbubble, or Teespring. When someone buys, the platform prints and ships it. You collect the profit. Not a designer? No problem. Simple text-based designs with quotes or jokes sell well. Use Canva or AI art generators like Midjourney to create designs fast. The key, find a profitable niche. Think hobbies, professions, or passions. People love products that reflect their identity. Sell on marketplaces like Redbubble for built-in traffic. Or set up your own store on Shopify or Etsy for more control. To hit $1,000 per month, you need volume. A $5 to $10 profit per shirt means 100 to 200 sales. Don't rely on one design. Build a catalog of 50 to 100 designs, each selling a few units monthly. Consistently upload new designs to increase your chances of discovery. Mix evergreen and trending topics for steady sales. Your designs are digital assets. Once created, they can sell for years. It's a slow start, but income grows as your catalog expands. No upfront risk, no shipping headaches. Focus on creativity and niche targeting. Pod is a hands-off way to build a real e-commerce business. Start today and your first sale could be next week. Keep experimenting. Find what sells, double down. Your portfolio is your passive income engine. Finally, the hottest opportunity for 2025, start a short-form content agency. Businesses need to be on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, but most are overwhelmed. You can fill that gap by repurposing their long-form content into engaging short videos. No big team needed. Start solo from your laptop. Take a podcast or YouTube video, clip out the best moments, add captions and graphics, and post for the client. Tools like CapCut, Descript, and Canva make editing easy, even for beginners. Land your first client by offering value upfront. Create 3 short clips from their content and send them for free. This shows your skills and the value you provide. Most will want to work with you. Charge $500 a month for 12 to 15 videos. 2 clients equal $1,000 per month. Scale to more clients for serious income. 5 clients is $2,500 monthly. 10 clients is $5,000 a month. As you grow, hire editors and focus on getting new clients. Demand is red hot and the tools are cheap or free. You're not just editing, you're helping businesses grow. This is a high-value recurring service. The barrier to entry is low and the payoff is huge. Businesses have marketing budgets. Charge what you're worth. You're a growth partner, not just a freelancer. The short-form video gold rush is now. Start today and you could land your first client this month. Don't miss this wave. Ride it to $1,000 per month and beyond. The opportunity is massive. Take action. Your agency could be the next big thing. There you have it, 5 side hustles to help you earn an extra $1,000 per month in 2025. We covered AI content creation, digital products, micro jobs, print on demand, and short-form content agencies. Each can realistically bring in $1,000 a month or more, but only if you take action. Pick the hustle that excites you most and commit for 90 days. Small, consistent efforts add up to real money and momentum. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical money strategies. Thanks for watching.